We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Brenda D. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a $1 million pound cake, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing y'all my ingredients. I have some salted butter, some butter, extract, whole milk, vanilla, extract, cake flour. And in the back I have some sugar. It calls for like 3 cups of sugar, but I'm only going to use 2.5 cups. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our $1 million pound cake. Here in my mixing bowl, I'm adding my butter, which I have cubed up. And now I'm adding my sugar. The recipe calls for 3 cups, but I'm only using 2.5 cups. Here I'm using the whisk attachment. Some people may want to use the paddle, but I'm going to use the whisk. For some reason, I love using the whisk attachment to make my cakes. Here, what I'm doing, I'm letting my butter and sugar cream. I mixed it for at least about 10 minutes. Here I'm showing y'all an attachment that I purchased online. This goes with my KitchenAid, and it helps to for me to add my ingredient. It's called a splatter-proof attachment. Time to time, go and scrape down your mixing bowl to make sure your butter and sugar is well mixed. Okay, as y'all can see, our butter and sugar has creamed, so now we're going to add our eggs. Here we're adding our eggs one at a time. Here I stop my mixer to scrape down my bowl. Here we're adding our butter extract and now our vanilla extract. In this next step, we're alternating our milk and our flour. Okay, I have finished adding my milk and my flour, and what I'm doing now, I'm going to scrape my bowl down once more and let it mix just a little bit more. And now our batter is ready to be placed into our baking pan. Here I'm showing y'all my baking spray. I'm going to shake it up well, and then we're going to spray our pan. Since my batter is so thick, I'm using my large spatula, and I'm just placing it into my baking pan. When placing your batter into the pan, make sure you don't touch the sides with the spatula. Okay, I have placed all my batter into my baking pan, and what I'm doing now, you try to smooth it down as much as possible without touching the sides or the tube. We're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, take a toothpick and insert it in the center of your cake. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's ready to be taken out of the oven. If there is batter on your toothpick, keep it in the oven for the remainder of the time. Okay, y'all, my cake is ready. Okay, I'm going to let it sit on my rack for 20 minutes, and then we're going to be back. Just showing y'all how it turned out. Now I'm going to place it on my cake plate, and we're going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. My daughter Amanda is slicing up this cake, and we just want to share with y'all how this cake turned out. My family really loved it, y'all. This is our first time trying this recipe, y'all. Y'all, this cake was so good. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!